Isana, I am the counsel for petitioner in disqualification case number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 2024. Adegi case number 6 and 7 na topa petitioners na tau. JDU taraf se diya. Ado ngasi si but appointed petitioner na Sri Hariswar Goswami. I was assisted by my learned brother Advocate Y. Zakir Hussain. TSC appointed first. I have raised a strong objection. 2024 2022 disqualification petition October 24 2022 the file October 2022 October the file disqualification case number 1 2 3 4 5 JDU chathakhare MLA unconstitutionally joined defect defection schedule effect away Maramadu Moya sick Mark Samdan disqualified Haidana Akoina October 2022 as a high seat Akoina Mohai si Anishuba point Kasha Megachandra versus Speaker of Manipur Haidana and others 2020 the Supreme Court decree is been Tarkiva Madu just mean high see any disqualification petition filed to matangda filed to even to the date to the game within 3 months the speaker the tribunal have the honorable speaker being the chair of the tribunal speaker tribunal will dispose of the that's been mata hojikti ngasi in matangda is almost going to say any sujala agumani ado akoi masi amna thul expedite to view I rusine akoi na thamjara mission aduna only on these two grounds respondency taraf taki matam TV 4 weeks cannot away. 4 weeks and both sides from all the counsel of the petitioners from case number 1 to 7. Koi masiri am to expedite the maram is a disqualification petition, disqualification matter nina. Azuna maram or higher 4 weeks time speaker so next hearing will be after 4 weeks or exact date today housing shortly order exact date today the respondents some of the respondents की council में मशीन लाभ किया हुआ है वकला नंबर फाइल तरफ बना मैं कितना मतलब से भी फोर्थ साइड की फाइल बता अरे वो अकोई की तरफ तो ये अकोई दी केस 2022 की अक्टूबर को मरी द फाइल तो जगह बने अदुना अदु की ये मुर्गा दी अक्टूबर को मरी 2022 की within 3 months from that day higher 2023 they been disqualified petition whether they stand disqualified or not is for the honorable speaker tribunal to decide. Let that be any decision, but we want to know the decision. What is the decision to never? Or within 3 months, the Hara to Virakta Bagi. 4 weeks it is there. I will be more right because the Common Council of Press. The 4 weeks we are saying it is because they take a long time. They means even for the tribunal. Other 4 weeks to have another 4 weeks again we'll have the next proceeding. Maybe the hearing will begin by the other hearings over. I have raised 2 strong objections. First, please use 2022. Madam, I have 2022 filed out. Please do not use 2024. I have 2022 October the case disqualification petition filed out. Asigi registered over almost asigi disqualification case number 1 of 2024 high. It should be of 2022 high. With regard to case number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have the appointed Hazari MLA Manga MLA individually and separately but on the same ground that they have defected on 4th of September 2022, publicly, willingly, voluntarily. That's the whole point.